At IKEA, we've always cared for everyone's home, but there's a much bigger home we can take care of: our planet. In 2015, more than half of Italian cities exceeded the maximum threshold for air pollution. How to fight all this greyness? With colours. We discovered a special paint that, through light energy and air humidity, attacks and neutralizes polluting agents. Introducing IKEA Loves Earth, the first street art performance that makes the planet breathe. We chose 21 famous street artists, and we asked them to express their idea of sustainability using this special paint. This initiative not only brought back the colours in 19 Italian cities, but that has also turned a love message for the planet in practical help against pollution. (1,191 square meters of artworks have the same effect of 1,191 square meters of tall trees. The initiative continued in all the stores, where we organised workshops, labs and seminars dedicated to the respect for the environment. Using the special paint, every artist turned several IKEA furniture pieces into sustainable artworks. The works were then sold at auction and the revenues donated to local non-profit organisations. 82.21 grams of nitrogen oxide eliminated every day, the equivalent of pollution generated by 100 cars model Euro 6. Being green is in our nature.